Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today's a fun one. I'm excited. I got friend mail. My friend Aiden shipped me a box of goodies. Look. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm not going to show our addresses. They're both on top here. Don't want to show it. Oh my goodness, Aiden, you paid too much in shipping. I'm going to tell you that right now. But I really appreciate it, but thank you. Let me open this up and see what's in here, what kind of goodies. She sent me, the mailman just brought it to the door just a few minutes ago. And I am so excited to get in here and see what we got. I knew she was sending me some perfume samples to add to my sample stash because I was running out. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Did I get it? Yeah. Oh! Bubble wrap. I repurposed that. Oh, she sent me a card. I love it. I love it. Oh. So sweet. Thank you. Thank you, Aiden. That's I'm sorry. That's very sweet of you. Thank you. Okay. Oh my God, Aiden. Sorry. Look at what Aiden sent me. Can you see? Oh my word. There, I'm just gonna have a ball playing with it. Oh my God, Aiden. Oh honey. Oh honey. Oh. Thank you. Thank you so much. There is no way I can open all of this and show you guys right now. So I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to go through this box and just kind of divide things up and play. And then I will come back and we will kind of go over all the stuff's in this box. Okay, okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. My goodness. That was a lot of stuff. I have things divided out in containers and then there is no way I can show you everything. She sent me some things that doesn't really fit into my categories. Or things, just little added things. She did send me a sheet mask. I didn't add that into samples, but I love a good sheet mask. She sent me a hair clip. I've got a hair clip in now similar to that. So she sent me a hair clip and one of these little invisible, I wear these. I have these. These are tiny. Look at these little ones. So I've got those. She sent me a sponge. And this was what caught my eye first, and I'm sure she's laughing. She probably knows. This is a Soul Shimmering Body Oil. Look at that. It shimmers. She sent me some lips. She sent me a Stila Glitter and Glow, which I love Stila Glitter and Glow. And she sent, two of the things that was in there was these little Jack Black beard oil. My husband has a beard. So I'll pass those on to him. Now let me just, I'm not going to go through everything because there's no way I can. She sent me a full-size nail polish and small nail polish. I kept the nail polish in with the makeup. But this is all the skincare samples she sent. And then, didn't fit, this is all the makeup samples. Oh my gosh. Perfume samples, and there's a whole lot that are not on cards, so There is a ton in here. Let me turn around the other way. Hair care, but I couldn't even grab them all. There's more. Ton of hair care. So there's about that same amount I had in my hand still on the bed. And then all of this. So, oh my gosh. Aiden, it's like Christmas. I am going to have so much fun this evening. Going through these things, taking off the added packaging I don't need, putting it in with my other stash, and I'm so excited to do sample stash again on Monday because we have so many new things to play with. I really, really appreciate you so much, Aiden. That is just so sweet. Aiden at English Prof Style, definitely have her link down below. Please go check out her channel if you're not already, but I'm pretty sure all of my loyal subscriber friends are watching her channel too. So thank you all, and I really love the message you sent me. Thank you. Not gonna cry again. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please, everybody, tell Aiden thank you from me. I'd appreciate it. And please go check out her channel. Please. She is a sweetheart and such an angel. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.